If you're looking for a new or upgraded distributor for your V8, check out the full range here from Proflow. The lineup includes the Street Series HEI and magnetic distributors, the ready-to-run performance distributors, and the Pro Street Series magnetic pickup distributors. Regardless of which distributor you choose, each one is made with tighter machining tolerances, which gives you really accurate spark, a perfect fit, so you can have proper ignition. The distributors are available for many types of popular V8s, whether it be Chrysler, Holden, Chevrolet or Ford, and depending on what model you can get billet or cast. Alongside the performance benefits, you can also choose from a few different styles. You can get either the black cap here, or there is a red one if you want a bit more pop in your engine bay. As well as offering the complete distributor units you see here, Proflow also sell a bunch of parts, whether it's a cap, a rotor, or even an electronic ignition upgrade, like this one here. So to see the full range and order your ignition parts, head to proflow.com.au.